If incomes are higher than ever, why does money still feel tight? Not for people struggling to survive, but for people who are doing reasonably well. A steady job, a decent salary, no financial disasters, and yet every month feels narrow, control already spent. Consider a young professional in the US or Europe, mid-20s to early 30s. They earn about $70,000 a year in the US or roughly 55,000 euros in Europe. On paper, that's a good income. After taxes, that becomes around $4,200 a month in the US or 3,100 euros in much of Europe. Now the month begins. Rent or mortgage takes about $1,600. A car payment or transport costs $450. Student loans or EMIs take another $350. Utilities, internet, and phone add up to $300. Credit card minimums are around $250. Groceries and basic living costs take $600. Before travel, before eating out, before saving in any serious way, the money didn't disappear. It was already committed. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people miss. The problem isn't high expenses. It's that higher income quietly gives permission to upgrade life. A better apartment feels reasonable. A newer car feels earned. Monthly payments feel safe because they're spread out, but monthly payments hide reality. A $450 car payment doesn't feel like a $35,000 decision. A $250 credit card bill doesn't feel like long-term debt, but financially, that's exactly what they are. Let's slow down and look at the math. That $450 car payment over 6 years adds up to more than $32,000. Add interest, insurance, maintenance, and depreciation, and transportation quietly costs closer to $45,000. Not at once, not visibly, but steadily. Because it's divided into monthly pieces, it never feels expensive. This isn't about being irresponsible. It's about psychology. People anchor their spending to lifestyle, not numbers. They compare comfort, not net worth. If everyone around you lives this way, it feels normal. The modern system is designed for predictability. Predictable paychecks, predictable payments, just enough left over to function, never enough to feel free. If this pattern continues, nothing dramatic happens. No collapse, no crisis, just 10 years of earning more, working harder, and feeling financially tense. Not poor, not wealthy, just stuck. Financially intelligent people don't focus on income alone. They focus on flexibility. They don't ask, can I afford the payment? They ask, what does this cost me over time? And what freedom does it quietly remove? Same income, different thinking, very different outcomes. If this perspective changed how you see your own money, you're not behind, you're becoming aware. And if you value calm, honest conversations about money and reality, you can subscribe.